Remember, this part of Tawheed, my brothers and sisters, most of the world is in darkness about. This is where most of the world makes partnership with God. They think there is somebody who created the world and then he left it upon people and whatever is happening is happening. It's like a machine made by something, and then somebody's watching the show. A'udhu billah, a'udhu billah, a'udhu billah. This is not the reality. He's a God who is in charge. Everything is in his hold. Nothing is out of his hands. He has said this very loud and clear. And those who go to others, seek others, whether they are things, whether they are people, whether they are places, Allah says, ضَعُفَ الطَّالِبُ وَالْمَطْلُوبُ. The seeker and the one who's being sought, they are weak, they are unreliable, they will give you nothing. مَا قَدَرُ اللَّهَ حَقَّ قَدْرِ. You did not value God. You really did not value God. God did not deserve this. إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَقَوِيٌّ عَزِيزٌ. He's mighty, powerful.